Hey guys, welcome back to another crazy day in crypto. Because first of all, what the hell is happening to Dogecoin? And of course, Bitcoin is also having a pretty important price movement. It had some pretty important price movement yesterday, but currently Bitcoin is seeing a pump towards the upside because what is happening is the DXY is currently losing its value. We perfectly came down from this level to the support of the symmetrical triangle, which I did talk about in yesterday's video because we saw a shooting star reversal candle on the price of Bitcoin, and now we're seeing a price movement towards the upside because the DXY, the dollar value, is currently dropping. So there's going to be a lot of stuff in this video, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and continue watching till the end of the video because today is going to be very interesting. And guys, I'm CryptoKid, I'm 15, and I will be delivering you guys latest TA and breaking news updates to you on Twitter, on YouTube, and through all of my socials. However, first of all, before jumping into Bitcoin, I do want to have a quick look into what is happening with Dogecoin. And by the way, on my Twitter, I did mention this break towards the upside on Twitter. So do make sure to follow me on Twitter because I do post some pretty crazy stuff and sometimes it blows up just like this. So thank you to everyone who leave the like on this. This was perfect. This was absolutely crazy. But basically what happened was with Dogecoin yesterday, Elon, well, Twitter changed, right? They changed the exact Twitter logo on the Twitter web app to a picture of Dogecoin right over there. And immediately when they did this, the price of Dogecoin skyrocketed. I mean, skyrocketed. So if I show you how much we went up by an approximate of 37.5%. And I also did a YouTube short, which you can check that out also. But we went up by 37.5% when Twitter changed the logo to a picture of Dogecoin, and this was around 9:45 p.m. Yesterday Dubai time. So Dogecoin went through the roof, and the second catalyst that caused Dogecoin to go absolutely to the moon was this photo, this meme that Elon was talking about, and he posted this meme and Dogecoin went even further. However, Elon has been very active this past 24 hours on Twitter, and he's just been posting about a bunch of different things, and of course, Dogecoin included. So he did apparently give a promise on March 26th about changing the bird logo to Doge, and exactly that's what he did. So this is why the price of Doge is pumping. Now, if you ask my long-term views, I think Doge is beautiful, it's amazing. And in fact, on the weekly chart, right, I can show you that we did form this pattern over here, well, kind of a W pattern, but it was not at the bottom of a trend like this one, but we are at a neckline. So we are at the neckline of this W pattern, which we are currently breaking towards the upside from. Another pattern that we could be seeing on Doge, which it is breaking towards the upside from also, is this trend line alongside this over here. So this descending triangle that Doge is currently breaking towards the upside from, and it has a target, right? It has a target of this. So if we put it above where it broke right now, it would give us actually a target of 0.136 cents. Now, personally, I'm not FOMOing into this. What I like to do with Dogecoin is I always put low buy orders on Dogecoin for whenever the price decreases, because I know that whenever Elon tweets something, Dogecoin goes absolutely through the roof. And I do think that Elon will be a supporter of Dogecoin in the long term, but I'm not personally FOMOing into this. And my buy order didn't trigger, unfortunately. But if you did manage to make some bots for when Elon tweets about Doge, do leave your comment in the description below, because I tried it, but unfortunately it didn't work. So Doge is going through the roof, but we can now jump back into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is also doing pretty well, in fact, at the current moment. So if I jump into the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin, we are seeing a reversal from the support of the symmetrical triangle. Now, last night, we did see a dip all the way down to $27,200. I think this was a bit of a liquidity grab because, as you can see, we did reverse back into the symmetrical triangle right now. However, my initial target was this level too. If you did see a break towards the downside, what I always personally do is, again, nothing in this video is financial advice whatsoever, but whenever we see a break towards the downside, or if you're right with a trade, I always like to put my stop loss at break even. So if you went short at the break here, then you could have placed your stop loss at break even. So even if we did see see a reverse, which is possible at liquidity grabs, then you don't lose money on a winning trade. So that is very, very important, and that is a big tip that I would give you guys. However, we're still in this symmetrical triangle for Bitcoin. The reason we are pumping currently is because the DXY is losing value, and I did talk about this yesterday about the dollar losing its reserve currency status because all of the BRICS countries currently are shifting to yuan or their own currencies, and this of course is causing a lot of FUD on the DXY, and the DXY just fired a Lucid SAR sell and soon probably a MACD sell too, which of course could cause the DXY to reverse even lower, causing Bitcoin to have potentially a run up to the 28.7k level. But let's see if we see another break. But on the 4-hourly, by the way, the support did hold pretty well of this symmetrical triangle, so that is something that I wanted to mention too. This right here is a very beautiful reversal candle, so we could come back to the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. But let's see, I did mention my break targets over here, and if anything critical happens, I will update you guys on my free Telegram channel, which you can join using the link in the description below. It's completely for free, and I do update you guys on a regular basis when I can't immediately do a video here. But guys, do make sure to follow my Twitter because it's amazing. I love Twitter, and this is just so funny. It's so crazy. I love Elon, and let's get this Twitter to 7,000 followers in the next couple of weeks. But guys, that is pretty much it for today. Crazy day in crypto, crazy night in crypto also. But guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. So take care everyone, and bye bye.